Using scrap wood to create functional pieces offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere practicality. The practice encourages sustainability, fosters creativity, and can lead to the development of unique and personalized items that enhance any living space. As more individuals and artisans embrace the concept of repurposing scrap wood, they discovered not only the joy of creating, but also the profound impact it can have on their environment and their lives. One of the most significant advantages of using scrap wood is the contribution to sustainability. In a world increasingly concerned with environmental issues, the ability to repurpose materials is a powerful way to reduce waste. Wood is a natural resource that, when discarded, contributes to landfill problems and a growing carbon footprint. By utilizing scrap wood, artisans and homeowners can divert these materials from waste streams, effectively giving them a second life. This practice not only helps the environment, but also promotes a culture of sustainability, encouraging others to rethink how they approach material use in their own projects. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of functional wood items you can make with scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, using scrap wood fosters a mindset of resourcefulness. When faced with limited materials, individuals are often inspired to think creatively and innovate. This constraint can lead to unique designs and functional pieces that might not have emerged if more conventional materials were readily available. The challenge of working with scrap wood can be invigorating, as it pushes creators to explore their imagination and develop solutions that maximize the potential of the materials at hand. This creative process can be immensely satisfying, as the resulting pieces often carry a story of ingenuity and adaptability. The tactile nature of working with wood also enhances the experience of creating functional pieces from scrap. Wood has a distinct texture and warmth that many find appealing. Engaging with the material allows artisans to connect with their work on a deeper level, enjoying the sensory aspects of shaping and refining each piece. This hands-on engagement fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride, particularly when the finished product is both beautiful and functional. The act of transforming raw scraps into usable items can be a fulfilling journey that reinforces the value of craftsmanship and dedication. Moreover, using scrap wood can lead to the creation of one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect the personality and style of the creator. Each piece of scrap wood has its own unique characteristics, such as grain patterns, colors, and textures. These variations can inspire creativity and result in distinctive designs that stand out in a world filled with mass-produced items. Homeowners and artisans can take pride in knowing that the functional pieces they create are not only practical, but also imbued with their personal touch. This uniqueness fosters a deeper connection between the creator and the finished product, making it more meaningful. Additionally, the financial benefits of using scrap wood cannot be overlooked. High-quality lumber can be expensive, and many individuals may be deterred from pursuing woodworking projects due to the cost of materials. By utilizing scrap wood, artisans can significantly reduce their expenses, making woodworking more accessible to those on a budget. This cost-effectiveness opens the door for more people to explore the craft, encouraging them to develop their skills without the financial burden of purchasing new materials. The ability to create functional pieces at a lower cost can also lead to increased profitability for those who choose to sell their projects. Another compelling benefit of working with scrap wood is the potential for skill development. As artisans experiment with various types of wood and techniques, they gain valuable experience that enhances their craftsmanship. Each piece of scrap wood presents its own set of challenges, requiring individuals to adapt and refine their skills continually. This ongoing learning process can be incredibly rewarding, as artisans see their abilities grow over time. The mastery of different techniques, such as joinery, sanding, and finishing, not only contributes to the quality of their work, but also boosts confidence, encouraging them to tackle more ambitious projects. The community aspect of using scrap wood for functional pieces should also be acknowledged. Many artisans find themselves part of a vibrant network of fellow woodworkers who share their passion for repurposing materials. This sense of community fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing, allowing individuals to learn from one another and inspire each other to push their creative boundaries. Engaging with other woodworkers can also provide motivation and support as individuals exchange ideas and techniques, ultimately leading to a richer woodworking experience. Moreover, working with scrap wood can serve as a gateway to exploring other sustainable practices. As artisans become more aware of the environmental impact of their choices, they may begin to incorporate other eco-friendly materials and techniques into their projects. This holistic approach to sustainability can lead to a greater understanding of the interconnectedness of design, materials, and the environment. In this way, using scrap wood becomes not just a means to an end, but a philosophy that encourages mindfulness and responsibility in all aspects of woodworking. The emotional benefits of creating functional pieces from scrap, which should not be overlooked. The process of transforming discarded materials into something useful can evoke a sense of pride and accomplishment. Each completed project serves as a testament to the artisan's creativity and resourcefulness, reinforcing their self-worth and confidence in their abilities. This emotional connection to the work can enhance overall well-being, providing a sense of purpose and fulfillment that extends beyond the physical item itself. Additionally, the act of creating functional pieces from scrap wood can promote mindfulness and presence. Working with one's hands often requires focus and concentration, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the moment. This engagement can foster a meditative experience, offering a welcome escape from the stresses of daily life. The tactile nature of woodworking encourages individuals to slow down and appreciate the process, leading to a greater sense of peace and balance. As artisans become more present in their work, they may find that this mindfulness extends to other areas of their lives, enhancing their overall quality of living. The potential for creating functional pieces from scrap wood also opens the door to philanthropy and community service. Many individuals choose to donate their creations to local charities, schools, or community organizations. By repurposing scrap wood into functional items for those in need, artisans can make a positive impact on their communities while also sharing their skills and passion. This sense of giving back can be deeply rewarding, fostering a connection between the artisan and their community. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked functional wood items you can make with scrap wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.